Laugh lines and wrinkles develop on our faces as we age. Sun exposure, stress, and a poor diet are frequent factors. Some people try operations, while others treat them with pricey cosmetics. In this video, we'll show you a recipe that has become very popular online. This face mask works well at eliminating wrinkles and lines. The main ingredient in this mask is cornstarch. It is well known to thicken sauces in the kitchen. Few people know that cornstarch can do things like keeps hair moisturized, heal burns, get rid of foot fungus. Cornstarch can stop the skin from aging faster than it should. It repairs skin tissues that get damaged by aging. You can use it in homemade beauty masks as a result. Consider the following ingredients: 150 milliliters of water, 5 tablespoons of grated carrots, 1 tablespoon of natural yogurt, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Instructions: dilute the cornstarch in a glass of water. Pour the remaining water in a pot. Bring the remaining water to a boil. Add the diluted cornstarch to the water once it boils. After stirring the mixture, you may turn off the heat and let it cool. Using a wooden spoon, add the grated carrot and natural yogurt to the pot. Use milk instead of yogurt for oily skin. Mix thoroughly. You can use a brush to apply the mask all over your face. Apply in circular motions. 15 minutes after applying it, rinse it off with warm water. Repeat the treatments 3 times per week. Have you ever heard of this remedy? Have you ever given it a shot? Leave a comment and tell us about it. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe for more advice and recipes.